Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to study English grammar. A known topic to you people, that is tenses. Yes? So first of all, let us know what is tense. So tense is basically defined as the form of verb that gives the relation between time and action. Yes? Now time is the duration of work. ड्यूरेशन कितने टाइम में कोई भी टास्क हो रहा है. एंड एक्शन इज़ द वर्क डन, वट एवर इज़ बीइंग कैरिड आउट. ठीक है, जो भी क्रिया हो रही है दैट इज़ योर एक्शन. नाउ डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेदर द वर्क इज़ बीइंग डन एट द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, के हो चुका है और इट इज़ अबाउट टू बी डन. Yes, we have three phases of time. So the first one is the present tense, second is past tense, and third is future tense. And all these three phases of time are further subdivided into four categories. So in this video we are to learn present tense. Yes, so let us now know what is present tense, and we learn all the four variations of present tense. So simple present tense is used to express what is actually taking place at the present moment. अभी क्या हो रहा है. Like for example, see how it rains. Yes, it is also used for habitual actions जो आपकी आदत में है. Like he gets up every day at 6 o'clock. Then for general truths, universal truths you can say, which you cannot manipulate. Yes, then for narrative, vivid narration as a substitute for the past tense, which you can say is something historic. Then for future meaning as well, which is being indicated by the context, whatever is written there. Like for example, we go to Delhi next week. Yes, now there is a general format, a syntax, how to write simple present tense. Yes, so it is like we have the subject plus verbs first form V1 plus S or ES plus object. Yes, this we call it as the positive form of simple present. Now the question arises where to use S and ES. So S and ES is used with the verb when the subject is singular. Yes, and if the subject is plural, then we do not use S or you say ES. Yes, like for example, dog barks. So here your subject, that is dog, is singular. So therefore your verb is plural, that is barks. Yes, now take a positive sentence like my mother lets me go out with my friends. So here in this sentence, my mother is what? Your subject. Yes, let's is the verb. Let's what? Me go out with my friends, that's your object. Take another example, I prefer my black coffee. So I is the subject, prefer is the verb. Prefer what? My black coffee, that's your object. Now how to write the negative form of simple present? So you have the format as subject plus do oblique does plus not plus V1 plus object. So now again we have where to use do and does. So do is used with first person and second person, and does is used with third person. Yes, like we had the example my mother lets me go out with my friends. So the negative form of it would be my mother does not let me go out with my friends. Yes, we had another example, I prefer my black coffee. So the negative form would be I do not prefer my black coffee. Yes, then The third thing is how to write the question form of this simple present tense. So here we have, you simply bring the auxiliary verb in front of the subject. So the format is like do oblique does plus the subject plus V1 plus object. Like for example, does your mother let you go out with your friends? Another, do you prefer black coffee? Yes. So now we learn about the second variation of present tense, that is present continuous tense. Now this is used when action is going on at the time of speaking. You can say when something is happening at the same time of speaking. एक साथ हो रहे हैं दोनों चीज़ें. Like for example, Shweta is singing. Yes. Then you have it for future meaning as well, when you have already decided and arranged to do it. A fixed plan you can say, a date you can say. Yes. So now how do you write this present continuous tense? We have the syntax like subject plus is, am, are. Is or am or are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Yes. This is the positive form of present continuous. How do you write the negative form of present continuous? So negative form of present continuous would be like subject plus is, am, are plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Yes. And the question form would be, again you bring the auxiliary verb in front of the subject. So it is like is oblique am oblique are plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. Yes. Take for example the positive sentence as she is listening the music now. So she is the subject, is taken from the is the auxiliary verb, is, am, are में से. Listening is V1 plus ing, listen plus ing. The music now is your object. Negative form, she is not listening the music now. ठीक है. Question form, is she listening the music now? Okay. Then we have the third form, that is present perfect tense. Now present perfect tense is used, you can say, for the actions or action that started in the past and has just completed. Yes. Like for I have written my essay. Now present perfect can also be used. It is also used when you say something has happened, it has completed, you can say it has finished in the past, and it has a connection in the present, to the present. Like for we have lived here 10 years and we are still living here. Yes. So now the format for present perfect is subject plus has or have plus verb's third form V3 plus object. Now again you have a question where to use has and have. So has is used with singular subjects and have is used with plural. Yes. Now we write the positive, this is the syntax for positive form. What is the syntax for negative form? We have subject plus has or have plus not plus V3 plus object. Yes. And if you talk about the question form, again you will have has or have will come in front of the subject, the auxiliary verbs. So has or have plus subject plus V3 plus object. Take one example, the positive form of present perfect. I have already prepared the breakfast. So I is your subject, have is from the syntax, X Already prepared is your verb, and then breakfast is what? Your object. Now if you write the negative form, I have not prepared the breakfast. And question form, have you prepared the breakfast? Yes. Now fourth variation is present perfect continuous tense. Now this is used for an action that began in the past and is still continuing at the present moment. Yes, तभी तो वो present continuous, present perfect continuous हुआ. Now you are simply focusing on for how long the action has been happening, the length of time of the action, like he has been lying on the floor, है ना. Now how to write the positive form of this present perfect continuous? So we have subject plus has or have plus been plus verb की first form V1 plus ing plus since oblique for plus object. Yes. So again we have has been is used when and have been is used when. So has been is used with singular subjects and have been is used with plural. How to write the negative form of present perfect continuous? The format is subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. And to write the question form, you have has or have plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For example, we take the positive form. My father has been repairing the car. My father has been repairing the car. Negative form, my father has not been repairing the car. Yes. Question form, has my father been repairing the car? Okay.